Magandang araw sa lahat. If a person is charged for murder and that he was acquitted by the regional trial court, may the prosecution or the people of the Philippines appeal to the appellate court, say the Court of Appeals? The answer is no, because that would be violative of the constitutional right of the accused against double jeopardy. Under our Constitution, no person shall be charged for the second time for the same offense. And that is why I mentioned earlier that the prosecution cannot appeal once the accused is validly acquitted. But let me ask, does it follow that the prosecution has no remedy at all under our law? The prosecution has an available remedy, and that is a petition for certiorari under Rule 65. So, if the trial court, in acquitting the accused, gravely abused its discretion, amounting to want or lack of jurisdiction, then the decision is null and void for want or lack of jurisdiction, and therefore the prosecution can avail of the petition for certiorari under Rule 65 of the Rules of Court. But how about the defense of double jeopardy? Well, under this situation, the accused cannot invoke his constitutional right against double jeopardy. But why? Why? Because the decision itself acquitting him is null and void. There is no valid judgment acquitting him because the court gravely abused its discretion, amounting to want or lack of jurisdiction. So mga kababayan, kung ang isang tao ay nakasuhan yung murder, mabigat, no bail recommended. Inabsuelto, ang prosecution hindi maaring papayagan ng batas na mag-apila. Kasi nga, malabag yung constitutional right niya against double jeopardy. Pero hindi nangahulugan ang prosecution ay wala ng karapatan. Meron. Bakit? Bakit na-absuelto? Kasi there is grave abuse of discretion on the part of the trial court. Ang remedy ng prosecution sa ganitong sitwasyon ay certiorari, petition for certiorari under Rule 65. At ulitin ko, hindi mag-a-apply yung constitutional right of the accused against double jeopardy kasi kung merong grave abuse of discretion, ang desisyon ng hukuman na nag-absuelto sa akusado ay walang bisa. Sana nakatulong itong aming grupo para sa kaalaman ng maraming mamayang Pilipino sa larangan ng batas. Magandang araw sa lahat.